How to disable save stories to archive on Instagram Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to disable save stories to archive on Instagram Lite. First thing, open Instagram Lite and now click on your profile here in the bottom corner and then click this three lines, and as you see here you will find settings and then privacy, now story and here you will find it, save stories to archive. Now all you need to do, if you want to disable it, just click on it of course, and then just go back, it will be saved, and that's how to disable it. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.